What's up guys, so welcome to this review. So this is Mercedes AMG A35 4MATIC in this yellow color. So actually what the camera pickups, the shade of the yellow, it's actually how does it look. Very similar how does it look in the reality. But on the photos it's more saturated. So this is more like a pastel color, not like a very saturated yellow color. This is the key. Black AMG key. So let's turn on the parking lights, LED lights. It's flashing on camera, not flashing in real life. I know you know this, but somebody may not know this, so just want to say this. So this is the twin blade AMG grille. And 45 should have a Panamericana grille. So I really think this looks great. It's different from AMG line, and you can see the difference immediately. Also, this car has a aero pack, which I think is necessary for this car, in my opinion. But if you want more subtle look, then you don't need aero package. So these are the aero bits with the aero package. And this, if you have a standard, this is chrome, but this car has a night pack, so it's in black color. Trucks going everywhere, so here is a construction. So here will be more from Hošek motor, more buildings. So yeah, I really like this design. These multi-spokes wheels and drilled AMG brakes. And these are the multi-beam LED headlights. They look different than the standard. So these are the multi-beams. Yeah, there you go, multi-beam. And on the side you have a turbo 4MATIC badge. So these are the wheels in matte black, which look really gorgeous. P0 Pirelli tires, 235 35 R19. Nice wax on the wheels, or not the wax but the product for tire shine. Yeah, sorry, tire shine. So yeah, drilled discs. This is really beautiful. Really like this in silver color. AMG logo there. So really look gorgeous. Black mirror caps with the indicator, chrome keyless door handles. If you don't have keyless, then you don't have this in chrome. You have this in the color of the car. Also, this trim is in chrome, but night pack makes it black. So if you like black, if you like the chrome bits black, then you need night package. But this still will be in chrome, so maybe you need to do this like aftermarket if you are picky. I really don't mind it. Yeah. So star of this car is actually for me this spoiler, which gives the car a lot different style. It looks really different. And I like it. I think it's necessary. But you may like more subtle look, then you don't order the aero package. So yeah, these are also additional AMG bits. And with aero package, you have also a rear diffuser. Like this part. and these are the exhaust tips. So this is like from bumper, and there is real exhaust inside. And yeah, I was worried that this might look like a weird thing here, but it actually looks good in person. So this is for towing, A35 badge and AMG badge. This is also on AMG line car, so this is standard. It doesn't, it's not like together with Aero package. So yeah, I really like this wing, and if I place my hand above it, it's like my hand, the size. So it's not small, it's quite large, and it has like a nice wave here for aerodynamics. So really nice spoiler. This is like a spoiler review. So yeah, really I like this. As you can tell, I really like this spoiler. So it's attached here in the middle, and in the middle with two, and on the sides. So it has like 4 points for mounting. So you can have also a roof box. So I really like the design of this car. I think it's a little like a pocket rocket, you may say. And yeah, I think for the price you can have a really nice performance. Of course, 45 will be top model, but 45 will be also expensive. So I really think this is nice compromise. Not compromise, but nice combination for daily driving. And still you have AMG, but it's not too expensive. Let's open the engine space. Turn off the lights. So the lever is here down. Then we can put it up. So yeah, this is the engine. 306 horsepower. So this is the engine, ladies and gentlemen, mostly gentlemen watch me. So yeah, this is 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, which produces 306 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. 45 will have a hand-built engine from a Volterbach. This is like a better version from engine from the A250, from A250. So this is like a engine is like a more technically improved, so it can have a more horsepower. And yeah, from 0 to 100 or 62 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. So it's a really fast car. For daily driving, this is plenty of power. I really like how this is exposed, so you can see all the elements. And also some heat shields here. So the engine has 225 kilowatts, and also it has AMG ride control, so adaptive suspension. And also the engine is highly engineered. So here is a washer fluid, car battery. So what I'm curious about is if this car, which petrol needs this car, which gasoline, petrol. And yeah, let's take a look. So this car needs 98 octane or in emergency 95. And these are the PSI for the tires and how many passengers you have and which rims you have. This is for snow tires, mud plus snow. So higher octane of course is better because car can use all the power thanks to that. So yeah, let's hop inside. AMG logo, different animation than AMG line. So let's start the car. So I will start it in Sport Plus, and if you hold this pedal shifter, then it has a higher rev, louder startup, and you can see it here. So let's do it. Foot on the brake. Actually, I'm not sure if I can do it when holding a camera. Maybe I can hold it with this hand and press the button. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. So immediately the startup is louder, 2000 something RPMs. So let's start it again without this pedal shifter. So the RPMs are lower without. So let's do it. Let's check the exhaust. So you can have a louder exhaust note when you start it like this. So you have a AMG logo here. This is very familiar to me because I have diesel car, diesel A-Class. So this is LED stripe, power seats, heated seats, windows. And this is Burmeister speaker. You can see the Burmeister speaker. And let's put it in comfort mode. And also the revs are much lower, as you can see. AMG Performance steering wheel. And these are the hotkeys for drive select. And this is for handling, sport, on and off. If you press it, then you can change it to suspension. Actually, you can see it here. So you can change it sport plus comfort. So if you press on the display, then you change what you can set, and with this you change this setting. So really nice keys. Steering wheel itself, same thickness as AMG line, but this is different, AMG logo, and this shape is different. Pedal shifters of course are larger, bigger. This is the same for windshield wipers. LED lights, really nice. Also you can see here that you are in ESP Sport and traction control is off. So I will put it on. And yeah, really nice. You can see rev counter here and also revs here and also here. This is transmission, driving select, I mean dynamic select, parking brake, fuel gauge. So this is more flat than AMG line, and also you have this strip here. And you can change this with this area. You operate the instrument cluster. If you go here, and then we can change it to sport. So you have two instrument cluster. Also you can change it to classic. So this is blue color. And you have also understated, which is like a minimalistic style. Maybe if you are driving during night, you don't want to see anything on highway. And you have also standard displays, which is like this. So my favorite is, of course, you guessed it right, not this. I'm joking. My favorite is Super Sport, of course. You can select what you want to see in the middle. So you can have a consumption. This is fresh car, only 10 kilometers engine. So consumption is 1.5 liter per 1 hour, and when idling. So this is fresh test car, and you can have also full display. So then in AMG Performance you can have first is rev counter, then you have a temperature of the engine, kilowatts, newton meters, boost. These are the settings, moderate for suspension, AMG dynamics, G-force, and then you can change it to navigation. So you can have it like this, or in full display, full screen. Telephone, I'm not going to do that. Oh, maybe yes. Oh, but yeah, you need a telephone. Assistance, this is for Distronic. So everything you can put in full screen. And you have service here, tires, service, coolant, engine oil. You need to drive to see, but this is fresh from the factory. So yeah, this is instrument cluster. Now let's take a look now at this MBUX multimedia display. So I'm really familiar with this because it's very similar to my car, but it has something different from my car, which is comfort. And these are, just a sneak peek, these are the performance seats. But I thought these would be like manual seats, but look at this. You can adjust seat kinetics. It's like sort of a massage. So it's moving these parts of the car, bolsters, and the bottom part is moving a little bit, so you're not tired when you are driving. Lumbar support. So you can set. I can feel this now when the lumbar should be adjusted. Really cool for AMG seats. Then you have side bolsters. You can also squeeze size bolster also for passenger. So this will be now super narrow. So these are bucket seats. Now they are on 10. And I can drive, for me, I can try what would be like acceptable. So yeah, let's try this. So this is fine. Also fine. 6, let's put it to 10. Okay, okay. So I'm really squeezed in the seat now. So I really can feel the side bolsters. So I think 5 is nice compromise. If you are driving hard, then you need 10. And you can also reset this. So you can operate MBUX with this touchpad, with touch, with your finger, and also with this touchpad. So you have 3 ways, and of course you have 4 ways. Hi Mercedes.
How can I help you?
So yeah, you can say a lot of things. I showed you in the different video. So this is the comfort, and you have in comfort also ambient lighting. So you can have 64 different colors, and of course you can have a multicolor like ocean blue, purple sky, red moon, which is maybe my favorite. Probably yes. Purple sky is also nice because you can see the purple color even during day nicely. So it's also in the vents, but yeah, I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, there you go. And also it's here and here and here. So really nice. Then you can have effects for like a welcome when you enter the car. And if you turn off the multi-contour, they don't have like only one color. So you can choose this all wheel, you can choose which color do you want. Track pace. So you can find circuit by starting to tap. Francorchamps Spa, 7 kilometers. Then you can start timing, navigate to this circuit, delete. So this is highly advanced system. You have a Hockenheim here. Maybe this is number how much you have raced already the circuit, and here will be like a best lap time. Nordschleife BTG. You can also import tracks. Also, you can start to drive and make your own track into the database. Then you have drag race, pull away to start measurement. And yeah, these are the tracks. Also many more tracks. So really the system is very fast when I operate it. So AMG performance, you have here dynamic select. So this is very good because it can ask you if you want last setting which you had before, if you want to repeat the driving style which you drove last time. Individual configuration, so this is individual mode, you have it also here. Alright, so let's check individual mode. So you can have a reduced. I want to mention is not reflecting as much. in person. So yeah, you can have a reduced, moderate, sport, dynamic. So RPMs are going up when I select dynamic. So let's do this for dynamic. Then we can have transmission, manual or automatic, dynamics, basic or advanced, suspension, comfort, sport, sport plus. So yeah, you can adjust these things. So this would be like comfort, sport plus mode. So I set it for suspension in comfort and engine and everything in sport. So drive select, you can select it with this dynamic button. Slippery, individual, comfort, sport, sport plus. So in AMG performance, you can see, you can also put it here in full screen. So you can see the angle. So when I'm turning, you can see angle. And of course, probably if you are driving, you can see which 4MATIC, which wheel is active. And here you can see gas. If I put a little bit gas, you can see. And brakes also. And of course, this is in Sport Plus, so it's red. If I put it in Sport, then it will be probably yellow. Yes. Comfort is in blue. Also, you have here individual mode, as I show you, and also slippery mode, which is like for snow. But yeah, you can have a lot of fun in snow in Sport Plus. So yeah, but still nice feature. So then you have engine. So in engine you can see engine temperature, already it's hot just from idling. Here is a gearbox, and so you can see kilowatts and Newton meters. You can also put it in full screen. So as you can see, engine oil temperature, and this is transmission oil temperature. So because I'm not driving, it's still cold. And this is consumption. Then you have Mercedes Me, and yeah, so you need to connect. And here will be also Apple CarPlay. As you can see, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And these are the settings of the vehicle. So you have quick access to Parktronic, and this is active lane keeping assist, C-stands, speed limit assists, camera and parking, active brake assist, blind spot, attention assist, active lane keeping assist. And you can set it for early braking, medium or late, or you can turn it off. You can also set this. So then in vehicle settings you have intertile limits, auto seat adjustment, so easy entry and exit, standby mode, acoustic lock, auto folding mirrors, really great animation. Just look at this. Automatic door lock, filling station search, and lights. So you have ambient lighting. You can also set brightness. This is on 100%. You can set it each individually or editing it together. when you deactivate this, then you can change it together. So you have intelligent light system, you can turn it on or off. Surround lighting, interior light shut off. So yeah, a lot of settings in this MBUX. So as I showed you before, you have a Super Sport, Classic Sport. You can have a display brightness, so you can set it to maximum, or during night you can set it to minimum. You can turn off the display and you can change automatic day and night. Controls, touchpad sensitivity. You can have loud. This can have loud, but yeah, I prefer normal. And Linguatronic, this is for this function. Mercedes.
How can I help you?
So in audio, you can change these things. Wi-Fi, time and date, language, many things. You can have also owner's manual here. And then if you go down here, then you have themes, trip, lounge, and you can see also driving select here, and you can set your own theme. So many settings in this car. You can spend days to figure out everything what is here, and this is just fantastic in this small hatchback. On the top, this is standard for sunglasses. SOS button, need to press this. Mercedes Me button.
What can I do for you?
Lights, sun visor, so in the glove box, this is just a document. So it's the same glove box in every, like in every A-Class, and this is hidden compartment or for owner's manual. Check out my video 5 hidden features, link down below. And yeah, these are the AMG performance seats, fully adjustable, as I showed you, with nice red accents and red stitching, AMG logo. And this is matte black, really nice seats. Middle compartment, the same as in every A-Class, USB-C ports, and here you have a nice, this is really nice, and this is for cup holders, different sizes, and this is for wireless charging. Also have USB-C port here. And these controls, this is like a rest, so when you have a palm here, you can do this with the display. This is home button, this is for songs, dynamic. Parktronic, car settings, and hotkeys for navigation, radio, media, telephone, and this is for volume. This is for headlights, fog lights reader, and you can adjust during night the lights, the brightness of the lights. And if you don't know what is this, check my video down below for 5 hidden Mercedes tricks. So this is automatic, these are the main headlights, multi-beams, and these are the LED parking lights, and yeah, check this, these are the special parking feature. So yeah, I'm really pleasantly surprised, and it is just amazing. red, maybe you noticed, red seat belts. Easy entry, I can feel it. So let's check the rear seats. Alright guys, so now I'm in the back seat. Nice ambient lighting here. Hook for the jacket or something for your suit. And I have here a lot more space than in my car because this is like flat. This is like a flat plastic, and plastic feels really premium, not cheap plastic, don't worry. And yeah, because this is like a thinner back, I can have a lot more space here. So I'm 165 centimeters or 6 feet and 2 inches, and look how much space I have here. So not problem at all. So yeah, this is how this looks. Driver's cockpit from the back looks fantastic. In this segment, this is the best hot hatch in my opinion right now, premium hot hatch. And overall 45 will be the fastest hot hatch ever from series production. I mean serial, how is it called? So yeah, the best of the best. So this is the same as in AMG line, A-Class. Integrated headrest, and this is armrest. And here are hidden cup holders. So great. So yeah, this is exactly the same as in AMG line car, but the seats are very different. Speaker here. So guys, let's check the headspace. Is the same as in AMG line car. A lot of headspace, headroom, like this. So yeah, great car, great rear space. So let's check out the boot space. I don't know why some people tell that it's hard to sit in the rear seats. It's not really like a problem for me. And I'm a tall person, so this is not like AMG GTR. This is not like super low car, so I don't understand these complaints. And by the way, I did review on this car, a link down below in the description box. So yeah, let's check out the boot space here. Manual door, same as AMG line A-Class, and yeah, quite big, almost 400 liters. You can fit many things there, no problem. You can see also the aero here. So guys, I just want to show you the windshield wipers and fluid. How does it work? So you have 3 points here, and it is just excellent wiping technology. Also guys, I want to show you Burmester settings. So you have equalizer, bass, mids, and treble. Then you have balance fader, so you can have front, rear, and you can optimize sound for the specific seat row. And then you can have also sound profiles. Pure sound, surround sound. Pure sound reduction without additional effects. surround, intensive surround sound. And then volume, you can set it automatic. Then you can have change tangent background, radio text information, frequency fix. Alright guys, so that's it for this review. If you like this review, then please subscribe for many more upcoming videos. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, this is just amazing car with amazing key. Like this video if you like it, share it with your friends. And yeah guys, have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.